Nebraska lawmakers will consider whether to restrict abortions even more, from 20 weeks to 6 weeks. State Senator Joni Albright announced that she will introduce the Nebraska Heartbeat Act. The legislation would also require an ultrasound before an abortion.
If the heartbeat is detected, performing an abortion is unlawful, except in cases of rape, incest, or to save the life of a mother.
Albright's also introducing a bill that would allow tax credits to people or organizations that donate to pregnancy crisis centers. Those credits would be capped at $10 million a year. Now, Nebraska's ACLU promises to fight the bills, calling them a threat to legal abortion access.